Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. IndyCar makes big change for 2025 season as Milwaukee Mile Race replaced. The excitement is building for the 2025 IndyCar season, but recently, officials have decided to restructure the race schedule by replacing the Milwaukee Mile Race with a points race at the Thermal Club. This decision comes with an overarching goal to bolster momentum from the very start of the season by eliminating the usual gap between the opening races. The new schedule aims to sustain audience engagement from the very start, something which recently it hasn't quite managed to do. Historically, the early portion of the season was quickly followed by a considerable 6-week hiatus after the initial race, even with an exhibition race, which isn't for points, scheduled during that period. However, the 2025 calendar sees a departure from this pattern, adopting what was once an exhibition event at the Thermal Club as an official points race. This will remove what felt like an anticlimax at the beginning of the season, maintaining the pace that fans are so used to due to the likes of Formula One. The move to make the Thermal Club a points venue comes at the replacement of one of the two Milwaukee Mile races, a staple that, despite its long-standing presence, will now see a reduction in the number of oval races from 7 to 6 in the new season. Although Milwaukee Mile hosted an exciting doubleheader for the first time since 2015 last year, the focus has now decisively moved westward. Alongside this, the 2025 season promises a quadruple header, featuring Mid-Ohio Sports Car Course on July 6, Iowa Speedway doublehead July the 12th to the 13th, Streets of Toronto on July 20th, and WeatherTech Raceway Laguna Seca on July 27th. This will be a more than intense month for the teams and drivers, who will be mentally and physically exhausted by the end of it. In addition to this, the 2025 IndyCar season will feature several venue changes that are set to improve the excitement for viewers. The Big Machine Music City Grand Prix will move from its traditional downtown Nashville location to the Nashville Superspeedway, allowing for a larger audience and improved logistics. Additionally, the Worldwide Technology Raceway event has been rescheduled to an earlier date in June, providing fans with an exciting mid-season race. The 2025 IndyCar season is scheduled to begin on March 2 in St. Petersburg, Florida, setting the stage for a tightly packed race lineup. For fans tracking every lap, don't forget the switch in broadcast coverage from NBC to Fox for all 17 races.